All right, let's go over the warm-up for lesson 5. A video posted on YouTube has 2 views on the day it is published. The number of views quadruples from 1 week to the next. Number 1, what is the growth factor per week? The key is that the number of views quadruples. So the growth factor per week is simply 4. Right? Growth factor has to be greater than 1. 4 is obviously greater than 1. Number 2, find the number of views 2 weeks after the video was published. All right, so we're going to use our exponential growth formula. Okay. So our initial value, our A value, let's see, it had 2 views the day it was published, so the initial value is 2. We already said our growth factor per week is 4. So our X value, all right, since it's a growth factor per week, my X value is going to be 2 for 2 weeks. So we're going to calculate 2 times 4 squared, and that's going to tell me the number of views at the end of 2 weeks. So we have 32 views at the end of the second week. Find the number of views 2 days after the video was published. So that's going to be a different story. Again, we're going to use our exponential growth formula. Our initial value is still going to be 2. My growth factor is still going to be 4. However, now we want 2 days instead of 2 weeks. So I need to convert 2 days to weeks. So since I know that 7 days is 1 week, 14 days is 2 weeks, 21 days is 3 weeks, the way I figure that out is by taking the number of days and dividing it by 7. So I'm going to plug in 2/7 for X. All right, 2 days divided by 7 will convert that to weeks. So essentially, the only thing that's going to change from number 2 to number 3 is that the exponent. I'm going to change it from 2 weeks to 2/7 of a week. So I can go on Desmos and make that change. Change that to 2/7 of a week. And we'll go ahead and we'll round that to the nearest whole number. Since we're talking about a number of views, we'll call that 3. So 3 views 2 days after the video it was posted. So that is the answer to number 3 of the warm-up.